How to unblock someone on OnlyFans. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can unblock someone on your OnlyFans account if you have previously blocked them. For that, you'll have to open any browser on your device and at the search bar type onlyfans.com to enter the official website of OnlyFans. Then press enter to search it. Once you reach to this interface here, make sure you are logged into your account. After logging in, at the left side you will find various options. Here click on this more option at the bottom and this window will appear. From here click on this collection option just below my profile option. After clicking on it, a new window will appear on your screen. From here you will find the blocked option. Currently there are 2 users that has been blocked from my account. By clicking on it you will see the persons whom you have blocked previously. Now to unblock it, just you will have to click on this 3 dots on the top of each of these profiles. Here you will find unblock option. Click on that unblock option. Then after a while you will see the person has been unblocked. So in this way you can unblock someone on OnlyFans. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.